Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to make a thread in AutoCAD software. I will draw a thread in 2D. Okay, so at first I'm going to take the new file. Then I'm going to select the units and the animation. So go to the standard and manage dimension style. Go to the modify and I'm taking the symbol is 2.5 and the text will be 2.5 also. Then the primary is will be selected as engineering and I'm taking this up to this. Okay, done. Then close it. Now I'm going to take this rectangle. I'm sketching a rectangle whose length will be uh, 30 and comma, then the width will be 16, enter. Then I'm going to take the line command again. Click on this point. I'm going here up to 10. Then press the tab command from the keyboard. Then put the degree, angle will be 135. Enter. Then I'm going to up to here. I'm going here. It will be 5. Okay, done. And escape from the keyboard. Now I'm selecting this one. Then click on this mirror. Then click one point here. Another click here. Then say that here watching that erase source object. No, I don't want to erase it, so I'm clicking on this no command. Then I'm going to line command again and join to this point and done. Now I want to before I want to line command again and draw a line from here to here. Okay, done. Then I'm going to take a line again. I'm taking the line from the middle. Okay, okay. Then is click enter. Then I'm going to select the offset. I'm taking the distance of this offset should be 6. Okay, click, another click, another click, and escape from the keyboard. Then I'm going to from the offset again. I'm taking 1.5. Distance should be 1.5 inch. So in horizontal, the vertical lines distance will be 1.5 inch each other. You are watching. Then again from here to start. Okay, then done. Then escape from the keyboard. You are watching everybody. Now I'm going to take a line again from here and click a line up to here and then escape, enter, right button, then repeat the line command and escape and right button and escape the line, taking the line and draw a line from here to here. Then escape from the keyboard. Select it, delete from the keyboard. Now this one is okay. Line command is taken again and one click, another click on this point and another click on this point. Then done. This one select, delete from the keyboard. Okay, then select this one, Z from the keyboard, enter for joining. Now this one is joined. Click on copy CO, then enter, then click it up to this one, up to this, and up to this. Right button, enter. Then select it, select. Then J from the keyboard, then enter. all are joined. So select it, then copy COP, enter, then click here and up to here, and start from the here, and start from the here. Okay, done. Then again select whole of this thread. Okay, then J, enter from the keyboard. All are joined. You are watching. After that, select it, then copy CO, enter. Then click here and another click from here. Click for here. Okay. Then escape on the keyboard. You're watching. It's looking so nice. Then you want to erase this portion and this one. Select this one. Then delete from the keyboard. Delete it. Delete it. Okay. Similarly, select one, delete, and select one. Select this one and delete. Okay. Then I'm going here. Stand. Click on this portion. Enter. Click this line. Now I'm going to select this portion all of lines, then delete from the keyboard. Done. After that, I want to take the line again, and this one is selected, then this one, then again taking the line and click from here to here. After that, I'm going to take the line again. I want to take this way. Here the different way. When it will be the upwards, we have to select the downwards. I want to take this portion. Similarly, we can also take this one from here to here. Okay. Then I can take this line from here to here. The first one, for first one. Now, again I'm taking the line from here to here, and line point is taken again. From draw the line from here to here. Again, now this one is done. Then I select this line, then copy from the keyboard, CO, enter. Then you're watching, I'm taking this point to add this point, this point, this point, this point, the T point of a thread. Okay, okay. Now I'm going here. This point, this point, this point, add this point, add to 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 this point, and finally add to this point. Okay, exit. After that, I want to get it. Let it's not letting. So what can I do? I can show the print command is used. Okay. Now before I have to export it. So export. Okay, done. taking the again. Okay, I can do another work. I can join to this point, join this point, and join this point. The work is done. I think everybody got it what I have drawn. So now I want to determine the dimension. We have seen that how to draw a thread in AutoCAD software. This is the coding. So now I want to determine the dimension before going here. I'm taking the layer, new layer is taken, one layer I have select. I'm deleting this one. Now I'm taking this one is this color. Okay, done. Then I'm taking the name of this color. Okay, I want to take this. Then I'm selecting this layer. Okay, I'm taking this one from here to here. The distance is shown, and here to here the distance is shown. Similarly, I'm going here. I'm taking here. The distance from the here to here is this one, and the distance from here to here is also shown on the outer diameter and inner diameter. And I'm going here. The align is selected. I'm taking the align from here to here. Okay, scan. Then I'm taking the align from this point to this point. Okay, done. Then I'm taking the pitch. I'm taking the pitch and determine, not actually taking, determine the pitch of this step to 1.48. So everybody watched how I drawn it. I want to stretch this up to here, and this one is also, and this one is also stretched. Now this one is okay now. I think everybody got it what I have shown. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe to the channel, and the Redesign Engineering is also always with you. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the new videos. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching this video.